Boss,
How is no? Do you have any plans for the holiday?
hi Fahri. Boss, I'm planning to visit Jogja. What about you?
That sounds amazing. I'm thinking of going to Bali for a beach vacation.
Last choice. Bali has some beautiful beaches. What will you do there?
Mostly relaxing, swimming, and maybe trying some winter sport. How about you? What is your plan in Yogyakarta?
I want to explore the temples like Borobudur and Prambanan and try the local food.
That's going to be so much fun. Make sure to take lots of pictures.
I will. You too? Fahri enjoy the beach.
Thanks, Noah. Have a great holiday.
You too safe travel.